Hi, I'm Amit Malhotra from the Walt Disney Company, and I'm the regional lead for emerging markets. I'm also the chairman of the advisory committee of the Nanyang Polytechnic School of Interactive and Digital Media. As chairman of the advisory committee, I would like to congratulate all SIDM graduates. I wish you all the best as you embark on your next chapter in life. I would like to leave you with a quote from Walt Disney. He said, "All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. So be fearless, be innovative, and dream big." The exhibits and creative works on display at Fusion 2019 were an inspiration to me. Apart from technical qualities, which set a very high bar, there is a clear point of view in many of the works. It shows that young creators are not only just following trends, they're trendsetters. They are thinking up new ways to infuse meaning into their works, to start trends, to do new things that have never been done before. And that's very exciting to watch and makes me very proud to be part of this. I can't wait to see what's in store from the graduates this year. Increasingly, as media platforms diversify, there will be more and more opportunities for Singapore's talent to be seen regionally and internationally. It's been very special for me to get to know some of the graduates and experience their works up close. It's a testament to the world-class standards of NYP's digital media program, which has discovered and nurtured the talent of many storytellers, creators, and game developers. Disney and NYP have fostered a good relationship over the years, from the internship placements to hiring graduates from SIDM. Their passion and their creative ambition comes through vividly in their works with Disney. Let's take, for example, Bernard To, who co-founded the very successful Robot Playground. He's an NYP alumnus and also the creative director of Mickey Go Local series that we premiered last year, which sees Mickey and friends explore Singapore and Malaysia food, fashion, and culture. Some other graduates have even worked on blockbuster movies from the worlds of Marvel and Star Wars, and there is simply no limit to where their creative journeys will lead them. Well, by going digital, Fusion makes sure that more people will get to see the works of graduating students, including industry professionals, the media, prospective employers, and headhunters. They're not just talking about Singaporeans here, but people from around the world on the lookout for new creative talent with unique local voices. See you at Fusion!